In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit desktop and mobile separately in Squarespace with CSS. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, start by navigating to Squarespace's homepage. Once there, you'll need to log in. If you haven't signed in yet, look for the login button at the top corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. From the dashboard, you'll want to access the site you wish to edit. To do this, click on the website you want to customize. You'll be taken to another page where you can see different management options. Here, hover over to the left-hand side where you'll see the edit option. Clicking edit launches your website in editing mode, allowing us to make the necessary changes. Now, it's time to dive into the customization options. On the editing screen, look for the design section. Within this section, you'll see a choice labeled custom CSS. We'll be using this to individually target elements on your site for desktop and mobile. Once you've opened the custom CSS menu, it's essential to understand the structure we're using. To target desktop styles separately, you'll be using media queries as part of your CSS code. Media queries enable you to apply specific styles when the screen size meets certain conditions. For instance, you might write a query for screens wider than 700 pixels to target desktop users. Your code might look something like this: a media only screen and min width 700 px, and your desktop specific style here, A. Similarly, for mobile edits, you'll reverse this approach. Here you'd use a media query targeted at screens narrower than 700 pixels, like so, a media only screen and max width 700 px, your mobile specific style here, O. This ensures that the changes apply primarily to mobile devices. After applying your CSS modifications, always preview how these changes look on both desktop and mobile views. Squarespace provides a handy device toggle option in the editor that helps you quickly switch between different viewpoints, so take full advantage of this feature. Finally, once you're satisfied with the look and functionality across device types, don't forget to save your changes. Squarespace usually prompts you to save before exiting, but it's always good practice to manually confirm that your changes are securely stored. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to edit desktop and mobile elements separately on Squarespace using CSS adjustments. Feel free to experiment and adapt further as needed, ensuring your website looks perfect no matter the viewing device. Thanks for watching.